Hi Chaz, I want to wish you a personal happy birthday, and I'm posting this on Facebook for everyone to see because I want everyone to know how wonderful you are, as if they didn't already. But let me tell you people, Chaz Wesley is one of the finest people I have ever met. He's smart, he's handsome, he's giving, he's charming, he's talented, and he will give you the shirt off his back. Maybe. No, I'm pretty sure he would give you the shirt off his back, as long as it's not too hot. But he's awesome. He is really a true friend. And so Chaz, I just want to say, I want you to have the best birthday ever. I realize it's about 5 o'clock in the evening because I've been doing some technical work all day, including this video, and you know how I am. So I'm hoping that you'll actually see this on your birthday. But I want you to know that I love you. You're awesome. You're amazing. And I love you. Happy birthday.